Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the throttle body in a Vauxhall Corsa D, which, according to this note, is an intimidating, terrifying and alarming job. But no, it isn't. It's actually very simple. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, this Corsa is a 1.2 litre petrol from 2011 and the throttle body is down there. Here's a close-up. Step 1 is to remove the plastic cover that sits on top of the engine. There's the plastic cover, which can be removed without tools. It just lifts off, like so, and removing this cover gives us better access to the throttle body, which, as I said earlier, is down there. Now, to remove the throttle body, we've got to first get rid of this big black plastic pipe that goes to it, and to remove the pipe, we need to first disconnect this power cable for the mass airflow sensor. To remove the power cable for the sensor, find this little yellow tab at the bottom and then slide it in this direction, as far as it will go without breaking it. You may hear a click, like that, and now the power cable can simply be pulled away from the car. Just like that. That's as far as we can go without tools. We now need a socket, specifically a 7mm, which is, I think, that one there, but it's hard to tell because the writing is absolutely tiny. Yes, that's a 7. We're now going to use that socket to loosen this clip here, which holds this end of the pipe to the air filter housing, as well as to loosen that clip down there, which holds the other end of the pipe to the throttle body. And I emphasize loosen, these clips don't need to be fully removed. And that's fine, the clip is nice and loose. Both clips have now been loosened, which means we can pull the pipe away from the car. There's one end, and now with a little bit of twisting and a little bit of pulling, the other end will come off as well. Just like that. And there's the clip. We now need to remove the power cable for the throttle body, which is that thing down there. Here's a close-up of the power cable. Now, to remove it, simply grab this white tab on the side and slide it in this direction, like so. And now press in that little black tab there and hold it, just like so. And now the power cable simply pulls out of position. The throttle body is held in place by 4 bolts, but this camera is far too big for me to get in there and show you, so we'll have a look with this little one instead. Right, there's bolt number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 is a little harder to see, but it is nonetheless there. To remove those bolts, we need a T30 Torx bit. Have you got one? I hope I have, otherwise this video is going to end abruptly. Only kidding, there's a T30. It's one of those bits that looks like a star at the end. Now, would you like to risk a close-up? I bet the camera goes out of focus. Oh yeah, that's rubbish. There we go, 4 bolts successfully removed, which means we can now pull the throttle body away from the car. Just like that. As for getting a replacement throttle body, well, they're available on eBay second-hand from £20, but the ones I saw for that price need a really good clean. Alternatively, you can get a brand new one from about £75. Whichever throttle body you buy, installing it is more or less the reverse of what I've already shown you, but there are some important points to bear in mind. For example, as this is an electronic throttle body, don't be tempted to poke your finger or anything else down there to manually open and close the butterfly valve. That can cause issues. Secondly, see the green seal there? It's worth replacing that with a new one if practical. And also, don't forget to clean up the mating surface, both here on the throttle body and indeed on the engine itself. As for the 4 bolts that hold the throttle body in place, they need to be tightened to 8 Newton meters, which isn't much. There's an enormous cobweb in the back of the car. The spider that made that must be the size of a dinner plate. Anyway, as always, you're welcome to visit CarSpyTV.com, where you can browse the merchandise, the photo gallery and the frequently asked questions. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please click like on this video? That helps other people find it. And of course, you're welcome to have your say in the comment section. Now, where's that spider?